What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another compilation video today here at 88 Rotors Off-Road on a few different Toyota Tundras. We're going to kick it off with this new 2019 4x4 TRD Sport. This one's going with a King's lift, wheels, tires, body mount chop, and some other goodies, so keep on watching to see it. You can see our tech swapping over the TPMS onto the new Method MR305s. Those are the NVs in an 18x9 with a positive 25 offset in a matte black finish. Our body mount chopper is chopping it up in the front end right here, as you can see, giving it a little bit of extra clearance for the 35-inch tires that we're going to be installing on here. Our body mount chop process happens in this order. First, we chop the corner of the body mount that is not needed. It doesn't affect the structural integrity of the vehicle in any way. We then weld on a block-off plate and form the edges so it looks as OEM as possible. We then clean it up and paint it a satin black to match the factory underbody of the vehicle. Most people can't even tell that a chop has been done until you point it out. If you want to see more detailed videos of our BMC, feel free to click on one of the two links in the description below. Our tire tech is seen here mounting on a Toyo Open Country RT tire in a 35 12.5 18 on the Method NVs. The rear lift is achieved by adding a 2-inch lift shackle, as you see here. For the dampers on this one, we decided to go with a set of King's 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers adjusted to about 3 inches of lift height. For the front upper control arms, we did go with the Icon Delta joint tubular arms. Also installed a set of rear Remote Reservoir 2.5 King shocks as well. What do you guys think of this blacked out Tundra? Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Next up, we have this 2015 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in this Inferno color. What do you guys think of this color? This one's in for a brake job. We're doing our BPS drilled and slotted front and rear rotors along with some posi-quiet brake pads. While that's going on, we're also doing a body mount chop on this 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma, as you see here. And here's a closer look of our Black Platinum Series drilled and slotted rotors. Next up, we have this 2019 Tundra TRD Pro. This one's in for a shim and shackle setup along with an upsize of the tire to a 295/70/18 on the factory TRD Pro wheels. The best way to bring the suspension up an inch while retaining the factory Fox TRD Pro suspension is by using the shim and shackle setup that we're doing here. Running this setup allows you to clear a 295/70/18 with no rubbing with articulation. All you have to do is remove the front mud flaps. This is probably the biggest size we would recommend on this up or without the shim and shackle setup as well. 295/70/18s clear on the TRD Pro as long as you remove both front mud flaps. Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to give us a call anytime during regular business hours or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. As you can see, we installed a set of 295/70/18 Toyo Open Country AT2s. If you're not familiar with the shim setup, that's the silver piece that you see above the top hat right there above the red spring. That gives you an extra inch of lift. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. We'll try our best to get back to every single one of them as soon as we can. We usually respond to the newer videos within the first couple of days, so if it's an older video, please excuse us if we don't get to it because sometimes we don't see the alerts for them. We'd like to thank all of our loyal subscribers and viewers. We appreciate you guys helping us get to where we are today here on YouTube. If you guys haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and also turn on that notification bell. We'll make sure that you get notified every single time we post a new daily video when you guys do. And until next time, please take care and have an amazing day.